Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be showing some wheels. And yes, Vicrez has wheels. And where are these wheels gonna be going to? My Mustang. Let me show the Mustang, show the before and then the after. This is the Mustang that the rims are gonna be going into. Right now it just has some factory rims, factory wheels. So we're gonna be spicing it up, make it look good. And again guys, like I've been mentioning, Vicrez has everything you need for your car. Has some wide body kits, has some wheels, has tires, has suspension, everything. Wrap, everything that you want for your vehicle, Vicrez has it. I'm gonna leave everything on the description below. That one right there, that's our website. Go ahead, look it over. And there it is, the after. So remember, if you want any type of wheels, suspension, wide body kits, hit them up. Vicrez, right there guys. This will be it for this video. I want to thank Vicrez for letting me review these rims. Real nice. This will be it. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.